I purchased this Saxton multi-purpose blade from Amazon out of my own money, mainly because it will cut through wood with nails embedded, and I have a lot of recycled wood and I can't be asked to go through it getting every nail out, because you know what will happen, you always miss one and then you damage your blade. Comes with a few spacers. So this is going to be a test and a review of this blade on my XL table saw to see if they are any good. I will be cutting a lot of timber with nails and screws embedded, so we'll soon see how good this is and if it's worth the money. At the time of filming it was £28. Supposed to be able to cut stainless steel, metal, aluminium, cable, plastic, wood and MTCG. But yeah, very handy for me. Save me denailing the wood. To change the blade, make sure it is not plugged into the mains, and then remove your throat plate. Then raise your blade as much as it goes. Then use the provided spanners on the side of your machine. Be careful not to lose your wing nut. Then we use this tool to jam down your line until we get it. There we go. And then your spanner. Being careful not to catch your hand. There we go, that was bloody tight. That was tight. Simply undo the nut. Be careful not to drop the nut down into the saw, which I've done in the past. Remove your spacer. Remove your blade. And then put on your new blade, making sure that it's going the right way. Spacer back on. And then just put your nut back on. Just hope this blade holds up well. You know, I don't want to go in blunt after one or two nails, but I will let you know that in the video, because this will be tested fully. And then just hold this side while you tighten it. No need to go stupidly tight, because the way the saw blade turns, it will self-tighten. And then just return your tools to the side so you don't lose them. And just start the saw, just to make sure everything's okay. Make sure the plug is switched off, return the throat plate. Now before we do that, I unlocked the fence so I could get the blade off, so make sure the fence is back locked down. Let me just unplug it just for safety. Return your throat plate. Absolutely great to see there's a metal throat plate on this saw, because there are other saws in this price range, and in fact more expensive, that come with a crap plastic one. So well done to Excel on that.